Okay, we're in Word Skill 5.11, previewing and finishing the mail merge. So we finished our mail merge document. We saw how to insert those fields and get everything set up to where it'll automatically, print these out. So your next question would be like, how do I get this? How do I get this to my printer? How do I print my letters out? One of the first things I would suggest is to preview your letters first. Make sure everything looks good. Right now you see address block, grading line, first name, membership. You don't really see what it's gonna look like. Well, all you do for that is just click on the preview results button and it'll stay down. You can see it's kind of colored there in that orange type color, and you can see how things are gonna look. You can see my address, my dear, my greeting line, thank you Joe. Down here is members on the standard plan, and there it shows the $75 on the if then else we added. Up here we can scroll through our recipients. If we had a list of thousands, we could just type in specifically the number we're looking for, or I can scroll to the next one. Now we're looking at Jane Doe, Ms. Jane Doe, thank you Jane, on the premium plan, and you can see that if then else working. She's on the premium plan, so it displays the 100 in there. We didn't have to put it into our list. So that's how the preview works. When you actually do want to then print, you go up to the finish and merge. Two options you have here: edit individual documents and print documents. The difference between these two is if you click edit individual documents, it'll create a Word document with all the different letters that you would be printing, and it'll fill in the name. So each letter will be in the Word document on its own page, or multiple pages if your document is multiple pages. And then you can go in there and you can edit. You can change things around. Let's say you know Jane. You could go into her document and say, hi Jane, this is Andrew, and I just wanted to say this is our form letter, but you're still going to get the discount you're going to get, or something like that. If you just want to go ahead and print them all the way they're going to come out, the way that you've designed your mail merge document, you just select print documents, and in here you can select whether you want to print them all, just the one you're on, or a certain range. Maybe your printer has issues when you print more than 100 letters at a time, so you just go 1 to 99 and print them in sets of 100. You can do that too. Maybe some of them messed up before. When you printed, your printer got jammed, so you need to print documents 500 through 700 again. You can go in and specify that. After this, I hit OK. Well, 1 to 99, I don't know what that'll do with only 2. Select your printer just like you would, and it'll do the merge for you. It'll print out those documents with the specific fields that you've added onto it, the way that you've created your list. That's basically previewing and printing out your mail merge documents. Your code word for this lesson is going to be STAR, S-T-A-R.